Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to give you an update on the Bitcoin price. But before I start, there is something I want to address real quick. There are lots of scammers out there pretending to be me. I want to urge you all to be very careful because I would never display my phone number in the comment section. This is not me. I want to really emphasize on this. I would never, ever display my phone number in the comment section. Once you look at a comment like this and you don't see a gray tag, that's not me. You always see a gray tag beside every of my comments. This shows that this is the channel owner's comment. Understand? So once you see this gray tag, that means it is posted by me. But if you don't see the gray tag, that means it is not me. You can also click on this scam page to verify. Once you click on this page, you'll see that this is an empty page. You have to be careful out there and do your due diligence every time. Don't send money to anybody pretending to be me. Don't even send money to anybody at all. I just want you all to stay safe, and I know that you are smart and you won't fall in the hands of these scammers. Now let's jump right into the video. In my last video, I said something about the inverted head and shoulders, and this was what I drew, this trend line, and I said that if the price breaks this trend line, then the price could further go up to the $39,000 region. And that is exactly what happened in the price chart. If you look closely, when the price broke this level right here, the price went up straight to my target, as you can see, straight to 39,400. Now, this is classic technical analysis that I did, and this played out exactly the way it was meant to play out. The question now is, what next in the price chart? I am going to show you where I think the price could further head in the nearest future. Let's go over to a higher time frame. This is the 4-hour time frame. As you can see that the price just got rejected from this resistance. Now this resistance is a very strong resistance for the Bitcoin price right now. And also there's a support down below the price at around 35,100. Right now I see the price oscillating between the support and resistance. Understand? Something like this before it could further choose a direction to break. It could either break downwards or it could break upwards. Now let's bring out the MA exponential ribbon. Now this is the MA exponential ribbon on the 4-hour time frame. You see that the price failed to close above the ribbon. You know what I used to say is that when the price closes above the ribbon, that means the price is said to be in an uptrend. But when it starts closing below the ribbon, that means it's said to be in a downtrend. The price could further go from this level right now to this support. And if this support holds, then we could further go and test this resistance. But if this support breaks, that means we could go lower from here. If you go over to the daily time frame, now this is the daily time frame. You would see that the price just got rejected from the daily time frame ribbon. This is actually not good because this shows that the price could further go lower in the nearest future. But let's just watch and see. You have to pay a close eye to this price movement because the price just got rejected from the daily exponential ribbon, and right now it could further go lower. But I'm going to be watching this trend line. There's a trend line coming in at around something like this. If the price breaks this trend line at around 25,000, just know that we are in it for a long ride to the downside. So we have to just keep a close eye on this, understand? But if this support holds, then we could further give a test to the upside. Now this is what I can see in the price chart. If you are entering a trade, you have to trade responsibly. Always put in your stop loss because there is no guarantee in trading. No trade is 100%, so you have to always put in your stop loss. Right now this is going to be it for this video. I truly hope you enjoyed this short update, and if you do, please leave a thumbs up and try to subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot and I really appreciate it if you do. This is going to be it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.